Here we have a map of West Africa, and the country highlighted in dark blue is Nigeria, known as the Giant of Africa. Nigeria is the most populous country on the continent, home to over 220 million people. This map may look simple, but it reveals so much about Nigeria's geography, its neighbors, and its importance in Africa and the wider world. First, look at Nigeria's shape. In the north, the land blends into the dry Sahel region close to the Sahara Desert. Moving south, the landscape changes into fertile farmland, and finally into the lush, wet forests and swamps of the Niger Delta cutting through. The country are two great rivers, the Niger and the Benin, which meet near Lokoja and provide water, transport, and fertile soil. These natural features explain why so many people live here. Now notice Nigeria's southern edge. This coastline touches the Atlantic Ocean, specifically the Gulf of Guinea. Though short compared to the country's size, it is incredibly important. Here lies Lagos, Africa's biggest city, a global megacity and economic powerhouse. Along this coast, Nigeria also exports its oil and gas, the lifeline of its economy. But the Gulf of Guinea is not only a blessing, it has also been a hotspot for piracy and maritime insecurity. On the western side, Nigeria borders Benin. Lagos is very close to this frontier, making it one of Africa's busiest trade routes. To the north lies Niger, a vast desert country, where issues of migration, poverty, and security spill over into Nigeria. To the east is Cameroon, with which Nigeria has shared both cooperation and disputes, especially over the oil-rich Bakassi Peninsula. And just across the sea, we find Equatorial Guinea, another oil producer, linking Nigeria to the wider Central African coast. So what does this map really tell us? It shows Nigeria's central role in Africa. It has a valuable coastline that connects it to the world, borders that tie it to fragile regions in the Sahel, and trade links that bind it to West Africa. Beyond geography, this country is an economic engine, a cultural powerhouse through Nollywood and Afrobeats, and a political leader across the continent. Truly, this simple map highlights why Nigeria is called the Giant of Africa.